The labor force that is employed in construction works is vastly migratory. Once work is completed in a particular site, the workers move out of the area along with their children to a destination not of their choice. As a result, their children never get the opportunity to attend school. Doorstep School, started in 1993 in Pune, implemented a novel scheme of providing education to the children of migrant workers by organizing schools nearer the construction sites. It provides teachers and educational materials. Food is also provided to children.
ನಾವು ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ರಿ, ಅವರೇ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರ್ರಿ, ಅವರೇ ಜೋಪಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ನಾವಂಕ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ನಾವಂಕ ಅವರೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಂದಾಗಿ.
Doorstep School has successfully involved the construction employers in their efforts to give education to children.
We have provided school amenity here, and also they can get breakfast and snacks there. They can enjoy their life. They also learned from the school.
Where such sheds have not come up, a bus appropriately called School on Wheels reaches the construction sites with teachers. It serves in 4 different locations. School on Wheels, started in Pune in 2001, has a classroom inside.
काय हा? काय फिरोज? च कसलाच आहे?
चमच्याचा.
But when construction work is over and labor camp shifted, the children suddenly lose their contact with education. Tracking the children is a daunting task.
Whatever we are teaching them today, say reading and writing and ABCD and things like that, if they don't continue later on, they will definitely forget. There is no doubt about it. But what they will not forget will be the impressions which they carry with them of the school, of the teachers, of the visitors who come, and all the experiences they get in that short period of time when they are with us. And those experiences are really valuable for those children's life.
However, to overcome this problem, Doorstep School has given each student a handbook called My Book that has a list of area-wise education centers in Pune for future contact by the student. Students acquire far more than basic literary skills. They also edit their own magazine called Hamara Akhbar. Doorstep School encourages poor students to attend school from very early on. Since availability of transport facility is one of the major factors that determine the school attendance for poor children, it arranges vans to pick them from their areas. This service instills in the impressionable minds of children the habit of going to school. Its preschool programs, known as Balwadis, prepare children to learn through pictures and songs. The games they play are devised especially to impart literacy to them.
मला 2 मुली 1 मुलगा आहे. माझी मुलं औंधमध्ये शाळेत जातात. शाळेचं नाव आहे, त्यांची बस सकाळी 9 वाजता येते. मुलं घरी आल्यावरती गाणे म्हणतात, कविता म्हणतात, 1-2 म्हणायला लागतात, 12 खडी काढतात, आई पण काढायला लागतात. आणि शनिवार रविवारी सुट्टी जरी असली त्यांना तरी त्या घरी राहत नाहीत म्हणतात.
Doorstep School has put up study centers in a few places that help regular students to fortify their skills. The students, with the assistance of teachers, are encouraged to explore in computer-based activities. Doorstep School sends its staff as part of direct intervention in corporation schools. The students are given library books for reading. Quiz competition and storytelling activities motivate them to better their skills.
मंत्रीला खारे युद्ध काय झालं ते उमरा माझा बकरीचा तुकडा दे, उमरा माझा बकरीचा तुकडा देत नाही, सुतार उमरायला कापत नाही, सुतार उमरायला कापत नाही, राज्य सुधारायला शिक्षा करत नाही.
With growing strength in its operation and expansion of programs, Doorstep School is firmly committed to provide education to urban children not able to avail formal schooling.
Vibha felt that we have the potential for expansion because we have developed different methods and ways how to teach, how to reach out to children and all that. So they even encouraged us and put this idea that you should expand and scale up and things like that. So from that point of view today that we are covering say 90 and more locations in the city of Pune is only because of Vibha.